Hello everybody, welcome. Today we're going to take a look at another case. This is a writ for Mandamus for an N400 naturalization case. So this was filed by this person's attorney in the district court for the District of Columbia. And when we look at this is because the defendant's failure to adjudicate plaintiff's N400 application for naturalization. If there's a long delay in an N400, the delay has been over a year, you can file the writ for Mandamus. So here the plaintiff applied for the U.S. citizenship on January 10th, 2024. So keep this timeline. So the beginning of January 2024. And he's been a resident for 3 years. So it looks, based on that, we can tell that he's applying for under the 3-year rule, probably most likely under the fact that he is married to a U.S. citizen. And then on July 10th, 2024, he, almost half a year later, he appeared for the naturalization interview. And the defendants unreasonably delayed and refused to adjudicate his naturalization. And they're claiming that this is a violation of the Administrative Procedures Act. And they're naming all these different defendants. So defendants in their official capacity. And then they're saying the court has jurisdiction to hear this complaint and the claims and to compel the defendants to perform, do their work, do their job, to perform the statutory duties. And the court has additional jurisdiction because of the Administrative Procedures Act. And they're seeking a judicial review of the inaction. And again, this was filed in the district court for the District of Columbia. And we've seen a lot of these cases filed in the District of Columbia. They're saying it because the majority of the defendants reside there. So again, they're just giving a quick statement of facts. January filed it. And then it looks like they filed this case in February. So it's a year later. So January, they filed the N400 application. And the following year, a year and a month later, they're filing writ for Mandamus. And they're saying that he exhausted all his remedies. He contacted the USCIS to inquire about the status of his application, repeatedly requested them to make a final decision, and he exhausted all his administrative remedies. And the cause of action is his N400 is not been adjudicated, and they're claiming it's a violation of the Administrative Procedures Act. And what they're seeking is for a court to enter an order mandating a certain time to adjudicate the plaintiff's N400. Basically, the court is asking them to do their job, and the alternative, the court compel the defendants, those acting them, to perform their duty. So basically, this is an example of writ for Mandamus for N400. And again, if you like this, like that button, subscribe. It helps some more people to find this channel when you do the like and subscribe. So thank you very much for your time. See you later. Thanks. Bye-bye.